Welcome back to Prospect Channels TV. My people, we don't come back again with another Ogbonge update. Right now, I want to talk about all the trending things in Nigeria. I beg, if today be your first time when you join us, please kindly subscribe, share this video, make it go viral, so that Nigerians could understand what they happen in their country today. Talking about this Nnamdi Kanu continued detention by the Nigerian government, even when Nigerian government knows say they not get evidence against him. The indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, has accused Nigerian government of continuing to persecute his detained leader, Nnamdi Kanu, on the basis of outdated laws, procedural errors, and political motives, despite what it described as a lack of credible evidence. In a statement signed by Onyekachi Ifide Esquire of the IPOB Directorate of Legal Affairs and Global Communications, the group condemned what it called deliberate distortions and propaganda surrounding Kanu's ongoing trial. The pro-Biafra separatist leader has been in detention since June 2021 after his controversial rendition from Kenya. Despite over 4 years of trial and multiple amended charges, the federal government has failed to present any credible or admissible evidence directly linking Nnamdi Kanu to any act of terrorism, incitement, or violence. The statement said, stressing that no one has been made against Kanu and that the charges lack victims for forensic evidence or direct testimonies. No named victims, no forensic or material evidence, no direct testimony by alleged security victims or affected civilians, the statement added. All charges were filed under law, repealed in 2022. Nigerian's Terrorism Prevention Act 2023 is no longer in force. IPOB further noted that many of the charges filed against Kanu are based on repealed laws, including the 2013 Terrorism Prevention Act and the Customs and Excise Management Act, CIMA, which was repealed in 2023. The group argued that the transmitter importation charge dating back to 2015 is legally incompetent, lacking both regulatory documentation and proof of concealment. It also faulted the legal procedure, pointing out that the court amended the relevant charge from the criminal code to CIMA without properly endorsing it on the charge sheet, a move IPOB described as a fatal procedural error. The court's amendment of the charge from criminal code to CIMA was never properly endorsed on the charge sheet, a fatal procedural error. Referencing a 2017 running by Justice Binta Nyako, IPOB also maintained that it is not an unlawful organization as declared by the Nigerian government. The statement criticized the Nigerian government's subsequent proscription of IPOB via an ex parte order, noting that it violated both domestic and international legal standards. On Kanu's 2021 arrest, or can I say abduction, IPOB reiterated his position that he was illegally renditioned from Kenya without extradition proceedings. The group invoked the Diko versus State precedent, in which the Supreme Court acquitted a defendant on grounds of unlawful abduction from Niger Republic, Why does the same judiciary that protected the coast rights now appear to endorse a different standard for Kanu? Is there one law for individuals from the Sheher North and another for those from the Southeast? The statement queried, calling the disparity a troubling sign of regional bias. IPOB further rejected attempts to link the group or its leader to the 2020 NSAS protest, referencing the Lagos Judiciary Panel of Inquiry's findings that held Nigerian security agencies responsible for the violence, not IPOB. The group called on the Nigerian government to respect due process and fundamental rights and is uh, resilient on media trials and propaganda and stop what it described as persecution rooted in pre-judiciary narratives. IPOB also urged journalists, human rights advocates, and international bodies to monitor the trial and ensure justice prevails closely. Justice must not only be done, but be seen to be done, the statement stressed. So, guys, what's your take on this? Please let's hear from you. Kindly drop your comment below the comment section and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye for now.